আমার বক্তব্য প্রিসাইজ করব, সাথে সাথে ট্রেজারি বেঞ্চেতে বলা হয় বিরোধী দল শুধুমাত্র সমালোচনা করে, পজিটিভ দিকগুলো দেখে না। আমি অকুণ্ঠ চিত্তে ফ্রাঙ্কলি, honestly and impartially declare that the present national budget is more positive, more promising and more effective than all the previous ones. তাই বলে এই যে কোনো নেগেটিভ অ্যাসপেক্টস নাই তা নয়। There are a great number of negative aspects, like the revenue target is too ambitious, as Bangladesh has historically low tax to GDP ratio. Secondly, the budget deficit is projected at about 3.6% of GDP. It needs substantial domestic and foreign borrowing. We must remember too much borrowing could reduce fiscal flexibility in the years to come. Besides, interest payments have already consumed a great portion of our government expenditure. Thirdly, inflation target is not realistic, as higher spending could increase inflation unless productivity and investment rise accordingly. Fourthly, implement capacity will be crucial, because I reasonably apprehend the projects will be historically, traditionally, and very unfortunately delayed, and the resources will be mismanaged because of three impediments, and they are curiously enough corruption, and everywhere corruption. Mr. Speaker, this kind of situation often happens in a country not because of anything else, but because of the lack of transparency, accountability, and most deplorably, because of the absence of the rule of law, which should have been maintained strictly. Honorable Speaker, I would like to quote from Hamlet by Shakespeare, the greatest playwright ever born, about money. Neither a borrower nor a lender be, for loan oft loses both itself and friend, and borrow dulls the age of husbandry. Mr. Speaker, this very statement might have been the motto of our budget, but unfortunately, our budget, though it is promising, optimistic, but there are many loopholes. According to famous economist Adam Smith, for a good budget, there should be some very important principles like balance, accuracy, transparency, accountability, realistic outlook, but very unfortunately and truly speaking, they are not properly maintained in our national budget.
Right, honorable member, in order to complete your speech, do you want your time to be extended? 2 minutes. Thank you.
I dare recommend some suggestions which are very important in order to improve the budget. The government should set or determine more realistic growth targets. Secondly, the government should make revenue targets achievable. Thirdly, the government should put inflation control ahead of spending expansion. Fourthly, the government should give priority to quality over quantity in development spending. The government should strengthen social protection, reduce dependence on domestic borrowing, accelerate banking sector reform, prepare for post-LDC graduation, focus on employment creation, and last but not the least, improve governance, transparency, and accountability. Now I should like to say something about the local issues of my area. আমার নির্বাচনী এলাকা কেশবপুর, যশোর। আমরা সবাই জানি মাইকেল মধুসূদন দত্ত একজন ফেমাস এপিক পোয়েট ছিলেন। তার নামে এমএম কলেজ রয়েছে যশোরে। আমি কেশবপুরে মাইকেল মধুসূদন দত্তের নামে একটি ইউনিভার্সিটি চাই। আমি মাইকেল মধুসূদন দত্তের নামকে স্মরণীয় বরণীয় করার জন্য মাইকেল মধুসূদন দত্ত রিসার্চ ইনস্টিটিউট চাই। আমাদের এই জলবদ্ধতায় পরিপূর্ণ, জল নিরসনে ম্যাসিভ প্ল্যান চাই। রাস্তাঘাটের অবস্থা বেহাল, এই রাস্তাঘাটকে আরো সংস্কার উন্নত করার জন্য।
জি, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।